Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your Discord ID in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now go to User Settings. Then scroll down. Here you'll find the option of Advanced. Press on it. Now you have to enable this developer mode. Now close it. Now go to message option. Send a message. Now select your username and click the right button of your mouse. Here you will find the option of Copy user ID. Copy it. Here it is. So this is how to find your Discord ID in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.